Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm the host, Brandon, and today we have a recommendation from a very sweet Swedish lady. Okay? We have Moncler. Yeah, look at that. Moncler. Boom. Now, I smelled this house at the store. I was impressed. Having said that, I don't know anything about this house. So we're going to get into this. This is Solstice. So I'm guessing it's going to be some type of bright fragrance. Let's not waste too much time. Let's go ahead and get into this. Unsheathe this thing. Now, it's very clear. You know me. I like my fragrances with a little country grammar. But so far, it's clear. So, gonna get this on the back of the wrist so you can see the... I don't want to spray too much. That Atomizer is one of the weaker ones. So this retails for $255. This is a woody floral fragrance. La Solstice is the new Moncler fragrance for women and men. This perfume comes in a 3.3 bottle. That's it. That's all they say about the fragrance. Wow. Okay. Minimal. Hold on a second. Wow. That's it. I thought I was going to get some type of introduction. I was ready. So, least I could do is show you guys the bottle. The bottles are unique. I think it said it was like an Apothecary bottle. But they're unique. They're unique. I think these will look really cool. It would have to go on something bright because these are going to absorb a lot of light. So you definitely want to backlight these or have them in a white case or something. But yeah, woody floral fragrance. Okay. So this is going to be a really interesting comparison. And I don't know how many of you guys are going to be able to catch on to this, but I'm a military brat, right? And whenever we would move into military housing, the closets always had this distinct, they were old houses. They always had this distinct wood smell that it's very hard to explain. Sheesh. I have to go. I'll be back. So one of the awesome things about having a Tesla is not having to drive. But anyway, so it's giving me a very like wooden box type of feel, but not in like a traditional cedar sandalwood type of way. It's more like it's more like old wooden chest, like, you know what I'm saying, like some type of just like old wood box. That's what I'm getting, and it's actually, I don't know, it's kind of comforting for me because it reminds me of like home in a way, in a weird way, but like, yeah. And then, you know, what's really starting to come out now are the flowers. It's not like, you know, portrait of a lady, rose to the face. You know, it's not like that, but oh my gosh, but it is the type of fragrance that I think warrants. I wonder if I can get it that way. I do think that it's a fragrance that warrants a try, because it's not a traditional type of fragrance. It's not necessarily something that Okay, this is going horribly. This is not going well. It is something that that's not necessarily traditional. So I think you would need to try this out and see if you like it. Definitely get a sample. This is more niche category. It's not necessarily a fragrance I would say is mass appealing. But I appreciate what it's trying to do. It's definitely very organic. It's a very organic fragrance. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.